Alright, today I got the Altec Lansing Sonic Boom. Pretty cool, rugged looking Bluetooth speaker. Actually found this one at a discount store. It's got a big old passive radiator back here. Little storage bin for your phones. All your connections are on top, along with like a waterproof seal. Unfortunately, this one I have to keep plugged in, which is probably why it was at the discount store, because the battery in it is dead. It's junk, so if it's not hooked up to the charger, it will not work. Yeah, this thing sounds incredible though. Let's go ahead and get a test.